We're on the road again, never ends. We got a little storm last night, so things got wet. We're headed up here after a Ford Transit camper van, I think.
Yep.
Is that what it was? Say hi to Corbin.
Hi, my name's Corbin.
He's one of the few redheads I actually like. Anyways, we're gonna sneak up here and see if we can get it pulled back on the road again, and we'll take you along for the ride.
It kind of spun. Can you drift it all? I just kind of top heavy. Alright, slick road. It's a slick road. I'll give it. It's a slick road. But I could drift it better. Hey, you never let me drive your sampler.
There's reason for that.
I would have done just fine.
Where they stand.
Oh, that's pretty sloppy.
That's really sloppy.
That's the reason I didn't wash my truck before I came. Dropped it off. So I was like, man, I want to go muddy.
That van right there.
Looks like it. Oh, they're not even that stuck. I could get out of that seriously.
Well, which way should we go in here?
What do you say we just get in it and drive it out?
I think they're pretty much worthless in the mud.
Okay.
How are you?
Yeah, so I don't know how you guys want to approach that, but
We'll just pull them out.
yeah, backwards, and then I don't know how they're going to get out of here overall, or you just want to just yank
Yeah, once we get them to the main road, they'll be all right.
Go up around.
Hi, guys. Kind of slick in a hurry, isn't it?
Yeah, a little bit. The rain didn't do any favors last night.
Yeah, that's for sure. It rained pretty good. Well, I'll just go up and come around in front of you, and we'll just pull you out to the main road. Better roll that up. You're gonna get muddy.
Yeah, you're right. Is that as far as it goes?
Oh, I think it just
I
wants
think we were
to
both
stop.
doing it at the same time. But you in two?
No, I put it in low.
Man, this is sloppy. Maybe I'll come here. Maybe you'll end up dragging me out of here.
No, I'm not gonna. Maybe I won't get out of my own ruts here.
Are they 33s on this?
Yeah. Well, what do we got? Rope and a strap. You want to start it up and turn the wheel all the way to the left? I'll hook you up there, and I'll just have you jump in there and we'll just pull it out of here nice and easy.
He has a YouTube channel.
Oh, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. He does YouTube too, so I'm here to do it.
Oh, that's funny.
So go give him an interview and ask him what his channel is, and we'll give him a blurb out.
Alright. So what's your YouTube channel?
Ryan Kirkaldy is just my name.
What do you do?
I mainly just make like little vlogs of just like cinematic vlogs.
Right
of,
on.
You know, little adventures or whatever.
Is that what
Try
you're
to-
here for today?
No, we're actually I'm not even filming that much. I'm just out to
Just out
explore
having
a little
fun?
bit. Yeah, we're from Boston, so we just wanted to get out into
Oh
the
wow,
nature
that's
and
a
everything.
that's a long drive.
Yeah, well, we didn't drive. We flew into Vegas and then rented
Okay.
the van and then drove out here.
Okay.
So yeah.
Well,
not too
it's a
bad.
good thing. Doesn't look like you have very much damage on this at all. So.
Yeah, not too much damage. Just completely stuck.
Yeah.
All in a day's work, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Well, it's a good thing you're out here having fun.
Yeah, I mean, it's a story for
Yeah,
sure.
oh yeah. All part of the adventure. Well, I'm just going to kind of just roll forward nice and gentle.
Yep.
And just follow me and try not to run the rope over.
Okay. Do you want me
Yeah, just put it right here and just like you normally drive it. Give it a little throttle and we'll work our way out of here nice and easy.
Yeah,
Cool.
definitely. Do you guys do it like have a channel for the business and everything, or
Yeah.
is it a personal channel?
Just for the business.
That's awesome.
So yeah, I'll grab you a couple cards.
That's amazing. Thank you very much.
What was that?
Under control.
Yep. Got them all out. Thank you.
You guys are awesome. Thank you very much.
Of course.
Enjoy your trip.
Thank you. Best of luck with all the YouTube things.
You bet.
Have a safe drive home.
See you later. All right, well that wasn't too big of a deal. We just pulled in there and hooked on and gave him a quick little tug out of there and got him back to the hard pack. Sent him on their merry way, and hopefully they enjoy the rest of their trip. And thanks for coming along